Hi everybody, it's Claire with another art journal video. So this is a really quick, simple page where I'm just having a play with drawing a face using a Stabilo oil pencil. I'm starting off using this Squoval stencil from Dina Wakley and some mineral paint, using it straight onto the background because I just want to create a little bit of interest in the background but not go too crazy, which for me sometimes is difficult. So then I'm just mapping out the features where they're going to go on the face and then going straight in with the pencil. So you'll notice that I'm not pressing on too hard with it to start off with. This is a mistake that I've made in the past and gone in really confidently, drawn the features, and then when I've water activated it's been so dark that actually ends up looking quite scary. So I am just using a water brush to do this. It's really just a personal choice. I quite like using the water brush with the Stabilo oil pencil, but I guess that's a personal thing. So I'm just activating different parts of it to pull down some of the shadows, and that's kind of building the depth on the face too. I'm also going in and adding a little bit more darkness sometimes with the pencil, and then adding in the hair. Now this is sometimes when it can go a bit strange. Sometimes you're better off not bothering with hair. But I think going in with low expectations and just, sometimes it is just about creating with no expectation. So, and definitely with these faces, the more you practice, the easier it gets. So then I am adding some text stenciling on using the Mantras stencil from Dina Wakley. You notice I've added a couple of catch lights into the eyes as well. And then in the space to the right of the face, I'm just mapping out some lines where I was going to do some journaling, using a Posca pen and just capital letters to fill those lines up with my words. This is really journaling about how sometimes your face can give you away. But you really don't want it to. Your face can say something that's on your mind when the words are not coming out of your mouth. And my face is terrible at doing this. I think I'm hiding things really well, and apparently I'm not. So that's kind of what this journal page was about. Next, I'm using a Stabilo oil pen. Oh no, I'm not. Beg your pardon. A Signo Uniball pen in white just to add some marks. And there we go. A really quick, really simple page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.